Hi, my name is Kevin Carlson and I'm here with Kyle Coop from Crysalli. Today we're going to go through the installation of a Crysalli remote tower. Today we've decided to install our most popular remote tower. It's a Cobra tower, it's a 2-tap Cobra tower. This tower assembly comes complete with obviously the tower. It comes with a gasket. This gasket is used to make the seal between the drip pan and the bottom of the tower. It also comes with 2 stainless steel flow control faucets. These faucets come with tap markers. One's a sparkling and one is a still chilled. It's also available with ambient. Also included is a faucet wrench. The faucet wrench is used to secure and tighten the faucet to the shanks on the tower. And then last but not least, it comes with the super seal fittings as well as the 3/8 street elbow adapters. Next, we're going to install the gasket onto the top of the drip pan, or may just be on top of the counter. What we're doing is we're going to remove the adhesive back from the gasket, and next we're going to install it onto the top of the drip pan. All right, so we've installed the gasket onto the drip pan. Next, we're going to remove the set nut from the shank on the tower, and then we will install the tower or insert the shank through the hole on the drip pan. All right, now that we are underneath the counter and we are going to secure the tower to the cabinet using this set nut, and we're just going to tighten it up. And then using a pair of pliers, or in my case, I'm going to use a pair of channel locks, and I'm just going to secure it tightly into place. Earlier in the video, we showed the super seal fittings and the adapter street elbows. We're going to go ahead and install the super seal fittings. So these super seal fittings are designed to secure the 1/4-inch tubes. These are the water lines that go up to the faucets. To the super seal fittings, these are the elbow fittings. So the super seal fittings has a 1/4-inch super seal, which you want to loosen the super seal section almost all the way. So you've got a couple more threads to go. And then the 1/4-inch section, you're going to slip up and over all the way over the top of the 1/4-inch stainless steel tubing. Then you're going to start tightening it down. And what I like to do is I like to just hold the top portion of the nut and then rotate the body of the fitting and then end with this closed in the orientation towards the direction that your trunk line is going to be installed. And then later on we'll install these onto the trunk line, but those will be inserted into the super seal fitting. We're going to repeat the process with the second one. So now we're going to install the faucet onto the shank in the tower. So we're going to insert the faucet and screw the collar nut, and then we'll install the second one. And just there's little knurls in there, just make sure the faucets are orientated properly. And then we're going to take the faucet wrench that came with the kit and engage it into one of the little holes, and we're going to hold the faucet and just tighten it snugly. If the shank does move, just make sure you bring the shank back and tighten it into place. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. All right, so we're going to install the tap markers next. The sparkling tap marker goes on the left side, and then your still chilled will go on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this all the way down to the bottom until it bottoms out. And as you can see, it doesn't bottom out aligned with the faucet. So what we're going to do is we're going to back it around until it's lined up perfectly here. And then this nut on the bottom, it's a jam nut that comes up and secures to the bottom of the tap marker. And so now that will remain tightened so it can come forward. We'll repeat that on this side. We're installing it here all the way down to the bottom. Obviously, we'll back it up, back up the jam nut, and now the faucets are in place. So next what we're going to do is, obviously this came with the faucet wrench. Very important that you leave this faucet wrench with the staff and also teach them how to tighten the faucet to the shank as part of their preventative maintenance schedule. This faucet will get loose over time, and it's important that they are trained on how to tighten it to prevent a service call. Thank you.